Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a reputable company that specializes in providing as-built survey services in the Whitefield area of Bangalore. With their expertise and dedication to delivering high-quality work, they have established themselves as one of the leading firms in the industry. Their commitment to excellence is evident in the good working relationship they have built with their clients. As-built survey is an essential service that involves capturing accurate and detailed measurements of existing structures and documenting any modifications or changes that have been made over time. This information is crucial for architects, engineers, and construction professionals as it helps them in the planning and design process. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands the importance of accuracy and precision in as-built surveys and ensures that their team of professionals is well-trained and equipped with the latest technology to deliver reliable results. Located in Whitefield, Bangalore, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is strategically positioned to serve clients in the area efficiently. Whitefield is a rapidly growing suburb that has witnessed significant development in recent years. With numerous commercial and residential projects taking shape, there is a high demand for as-built survey services to accurately document the existing structures and infrastructure. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has capitalized on this opportunity and has become the go-to company for as-built surveys in Whitefield. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from its competitors is their commitment to delivering quality work consistently. They understand the importance of meeting deadlines and ensuring client satisfaction. With their experienced team and efficient processes, they are able to complete projects within the stipulated time frame without compromising on quality. Their attention to detail and thoroughness in documenting every aspect of the structure sets them apart from other firms in the industry. In conclusion, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a reliable company that offers top-notch as-built survey services in Whitefield, Bangalore. Their expertise, professionalism, and commitment to delivering high-quality work have earned them a stellar reputation in the industry. Whether it is capturing accurate measurements or documenting modifications, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd ensures that their clients receive reliable and precise information. With their good working relationship with clients, they have become a trusted partner for as-built surveys in Whitefield holders. They understand the importance of keeping everyone involved in the project well informed about the progress and any necessary adjustments that need to be made. This transparent approach ensures that everyone is on the same page and helps in avoiding any delays or misunderstandings. In conclusion, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a reliable choice for as-built survey services in Marathuli, Bangalore. Their expertise, attention to detail, and good working practices make them stand out in the industry. Whether it is a small-scale residential project or a large commercial complex, they have the knowledge and experience to deliver accurate and high-quality as-built survey services.